Camp 101, everything you need for planning your next camping trip. Foregoing a 5-star hotel for the rustic enjoyment of camping can make for an amazing vacation for the whole family, you and your so or all by yourself. Check out the tips and tricks in the following video that will enable you to make the absolute most of your camping vacation. Particularly, if you have children, you need to consider what to do if you have inclement weather one day. Gather together a few supplies to have on hand in case you need to stay in your tent. Bring a board game, Play-Doh and art supplies. Don't let your family members touch these items until it rains so that they don't lose their appeal. Research any potential campground well. They all have different amenities. Some may have showers and bathrooms, while others may not. There are even a few campgrounds that are quite fancy, with on-site miniature golf games or water parks. You may not need or want all that, so figure it out ahead of time so that you are not disappointed when you get there. If you're bringing kids on your camping trip, overpack for them. Camping can be quite dirty. Almost every child will want to play in the dirt or mud, constantly. Expect them to be all shades of dirty as the day moves on. You cannot really prevent it from happening, but you can pack extra clothes. Staying prepared is the best way to avoid issues on your trip. Nature has so much more to offer us on a vacation than the usual theme park or sandy beach. Make the most of your camping trip by following the useful advice in this video. There are many things to consider in order to make your camping venture a success, so make sure you've covered all the bases and are prepared for anything. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.